What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video, and today I am bringing you a little bit different video. Today I'm going to be switching headliners from this red B14 that we have right here from El Mini Rayo. Right here, as you can see, the headliner is pretty clean, and the door panels are very clean as well. And from the blue car right there, because I'm going to be putting the blue car for sale. So let me show you the blue car's headliner real quick. Yep, the headliner from the blue car. And the door panels, not the best, so I'm gonna be taking them out and I'll be switching them. So and the visors as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Never done this before, so I'm gonna try to do it on this car real quick, see how it goes, and then I'll give you guys a progress update in a bit. All right, you guys, right here we got the old headliner out. Right here, it wasn't that hard of a job, but somebody did mess with it before I touched it, so I think that's what made it a little bit easier. But if you look inside, zoom out, that's the top of the car. Pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna start cracking on that one over there, and hopefully it's as easy. Then we'll have a new headliner in the car in no time. All right, guys, update number 2. I took the pillars out. I took the dome light out. Visors are off. These back panels, I just put them loose, and as you can see, I started to pull it down already. It's coming out fairly easy as of right now, so hopefully it's easy all the way around. If you're switching out your headliner, I recommend being extremely careful taking these guys out because they are very brittle. On the blue car I broke them all. On this one I was able to save them, so that's good. But I'll see you guys once the headliner is out in one piece, hopefully. All right, guys, this is update number 3. The headliner is pretty much all the way in. All I have left are these pillars, the visors, and then after that, I'm gonna switch out these door cards because these door cards are pretty crusty, pretty beat up. And then I think that'd be pretty much it for this. And I have something pretty cool to show you that I got for the Green Machine after that. So see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, the blue car is all done with the headliner. Now I'm going to start taking off the door panels. Just going to take this little screw out, pop it out. This thing is already missing the clip, so that's already done. Then just take out a few screws along the panel right here, and then it just pops right out. So see you guys when I'm done. All right, guys, I got the door cards off on both sides. As you can see, I got the passenger side right here. I'll walk around. And I got the driver's side right there. I'm about to head out to the blue car, take those off, and do a quick switcheroo. And that should do it for that. I'll show you guys once it's all done. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, just another update. I vacuumed out the car. As you can see, the headliner. I got the new door panels in here and there. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I got these bucket seats right here, as you can see right there. Zoom. Those were in the red car originally, so I'm gonna try to fit them in this one, and then see how that goes, and maybe that'll be it for this car. Let me give you guys a quick walk around on this. So just a quick, it's dirty too, so don't mind it. But this is a 95 200 XSER with the bubble tail lights. It does have the VVL swap in it. It has Case Boy coilovers, Annex front brakes. It has a Jim Wolf ECU in it. It also has a Lucino grill. I believe, clear headlights, but these are a 2-piece, not the 1-piece. And has a bunch of other goodies too. I just can't remember on top of my head. But yeah, I am getting rid of this car, guys. So I don't know if this car is gonna be for sale on the internet before this video goes up or after, but this is for sale. I'm asking $3,200 or better offer. Car runs and drives great. It has a oil pressure wideband. That was supposed to be a boost gauge because I was gonna boost it. I was gonna put the GTIR in it, but just had a change of heart. So that is that. This car is a salvage title, unfortunately, but it's pretty clean overall. Has a Momo steering wheel detached with the NRG hub, Bluetooth stereo, all that works. Power steering works. It did have AC, but the AC compressor seized. So right now I just have a belt bypassing the AC. So the compressor is there. All you have to do is change the compressor, but that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested, let me know. I am going to put it for sale on like OfferUp and the SR20 pages if you're on there. I am in SoCal, Victorville area, so if you're interested, let me know. And I'm also throwing in 14 wheels I painted gray. They look like the SCL wheels. But yeah, if you guys are interested, please hit me up on my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here. And yeah, 3,200 or better offer, let me know. And yeah, I just don't drive it no more. Oh, it has brand new rear brakes. I did a fresh oil change on it not even 100 miles ago, so let me know, you guys. All right, guys, this is the last update. Seats are in, all that's good, all good. I think the car looks pretty spiffy to me. So if you guys are interested, please let me know. I'm obviously gonna wash it and stuff. And yeah, I also gotta show you guys something pretty cool I got from the Green Machine, like I said from the beginning of the video. All right, guys, right here we got some slicks for the Green Machine right here. Some M&H Race Masters 8.5, 24.5 by 15. And I got some wheels coming for this on Monday. So this is it. I'm pretty excited to see this car on full-on slicks now, but rest in peace to the 5-speed transmission this shit has. But not a big deal. I got a spare 5-speed, and I'm also gonna do the 6-speed swap. So I'm pretty excited for this. This shit is gonna rip, it's gonna grip, and I got some traction bars coming in August. So some SLS 1320 or SLS suspension traction bars. So I can't wait to put those on, and the Green Machine should hook and hopefully not spin, because I really want to rerun Lencho and get a race with Robert on his new setup. So because lately spinning's been my kryptonite, and you know spinning ain't winning. So I'll see you guys Monday when I get the new rims or wheels. Right, guys, it's been a couple of days. I got my slicks right here, and I got my VMS wheels right here loaded up in the Infinity. I'm about to go to the tire shop, get them mounted and stuff. I'm pretty excited, and show you guys how it looks like. I'm probably not gonna do a test pull on this video, but for the next video. So I'll see you guys once the tires and wheels are mounted, and possibly on the Green Machine already. All right, guys, here it is, the Green Machine on the VMSs, on the slicks. Oh my God, I am in love. Holy guacamoles. Damn. I am absolutely in love, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Holy shit. Yeah, the car's pretty dirty right now, but damn. Damn. Look at those meats. Oh, my bumper's all hanging. But I'm in love, guys. I am in love. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do with this video. I hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know on your feedback, because I always want to improve. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.